Hi, so today's recipe is ragi jaggery whole wheat chocolate cake. Ragi is supposed to be very nutritious. I'll show you how it looks. This is ragi atta. It is little brownish in color. It has calcium and iron in it. So we are going to do a healthy baking today. We will use ragi flour and whole wheat atta and also jaggery. This is organic jaggery instead of sugar. So I will start with the recipe. First we will take 1 cup ragi atta. I have sieved this and now I will put it in the bowl. 1 cup ragi atta, half cup wheat flour, then 1/4 cup cocoa powder, then we'll add 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 pinch of salt, then I have half tablespoon of baking soda, these are all the dry ingredients which I have mixed. After this we'll take 1 cup of milk which needs to be heated. Risha, will you please switch off the fan? We will heat 1 cup of milk.
One cup of milk.
In that we will add 1 cup of jaggery. Since this is a sugar free cake, we are using jaggery. गुड़ के बहुत फायदे होते हैं, शुगर के जितने नहीं होते. इवन डायबिटिक जो लोग होते हैं वो लोग थोड़ा मॉडरेशन में ये केक खा सकते हैं, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट एडिंग शुगर टू इट, वी आर एडिंग जैगरी टू इट.
Jaggery means good.
So we'll let the jaggery melt in this. In this we will add 2 tablespoons of butter.
2 tablespoons of butter.
We will let it melt. We have to keep it on slow gas so that jaggery धीरे धीरे उसमें मेल्ट हो जाएगा. और जैसे ही जैगरी इसमें मेल्ट होगा, मिल्क थोड़ा सा कर्डल हो जाएगा, सो दैट इज नॉट अ इशू. देन वी हैव टू ऐड 2 tablespoons of coffee to this. I am adding coffee powder in hot water. We have to take half cup of hot water and 1 tablespoon of coffee in it. See, now my jaggery is melting here. It is almost melted. We need not boil it. It needs to be warm. ज़्यादा उसको हमें boil नहीं करना है. जब गुड़ मेल्ट हो जाए तब तक हमको उसको रखना है. You can see that मेरा गुड़ मेल्ट हो चुका है. हमने इसमें बटर भी ऐड कर दिया है. एंड वन मोर थिंग वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड, दैट इज फ्लैक्सीड पाउडर. जो अलसी के सीड्स होते हैं उसको फ्लैक्सीड हम बोलते हैं. उसका 1 TSP सीड्स लेके हमने उसको पाउडर कर दिया है. उसमें हम थोड़ा सा गर्म पानी डालेंगे. This we are using as egg replacer. Since we are not using egg, it is pure vegetarian. Flaxseed can be used as a egg replacer. हम उसको 1 tablespoon गर्म पानी डाल के साइड में रख देंगे तो वो थिक हो जाएगा. We'll just mix it and keep it aside. 1 or 2 minutes में thicken हो जाएगा. Now I add this coffee decoction to this. So now I have mixed all my wet ingredients, and the last thing which I will add is 1 TSP of vinegar. Vinegar makes the cake little airy and the cake will be soft.
Okay.
Now slowly the dry ingredients which we had mixed, we'll add to this wet ingredients and we'll keep mixing it. So I'm mixing the wet and the dry ingredients. Is everybody understanding? It is not roasted seeds, it is flax seeds. अलसी जिसको हम बोलते हैं. Okay, butter is Amul butter. What I have used, I can see few people asking questions. Butter is Amul butter and it is 2 tablespoons of butter. And flax seed होता है जिसको हम अलसी बोलते हैं. अलसी को पाउडर करके हमको यूज करना है. ये स्लोली हमने पूरा मिक्स कर दिया है. Slowly we have to keep mixing it. So this is how my batter is looking. Lastly, I will add this flaxseed powder gel. See, it has thickened. So this gel, it will hold our cake well since we are using it in the place of egg, and also it will make the cake soft. I'm mixing it now. And the last thing to be added is 1/4 cup of oil. It is needed to make the cake soft. I'm mixing the batter. Mix it lightly, not very vigorously, because if you mix it very much, all the air will escape from it. So don't over mix it. We'll see that my batter is ready and it is little thicker, so I will add little water, just 1 tablespoon of water. And lastly, it is vanilla essence. One tablespoon of vanilla essence. You can also add mint essence to this so that it will become chocolate mint cake. Chocolate and mint taste yum together. So instead of vanilla, you can add mint also. But since vanilla is commonly liked by everyone, I have added vanilla essence and my batter is completely ready. This is my batter which is ready now. So now this is the pan which I am going to use. We will grease the pan with oil. I have put oil in this. I'm greasing the pan with oil. This is very important step because the cake will not stick to it. I have completely put oil. I have greased it completely and we'll remove the excess oil. And we'll add flour to it so that the cake batter will not stick. This is how we have to rotate so that all the flour it sticks. पूरा चिपक जाना चाहिए on each part. See, this is how the pan should look. It is completely greased. I'll pour my batter in it now. Slowly I'll put the batter. Trust me, this is a very healthy, delicious and nutritious cake. My kids don't realize that there is ragi flour in this and they eat this cake very happily. They don't even realize that this is not a maida cake and there is ragi. Ragi which is very nutritious, as everybody must be knowing. It contains lots of iron and calcium. So you can easily give this to your kids also. Also diabetic person can enjoy it because we have not added sugar. Somebody has asked, yes, it is wheat flour which I have used for greasing. I have poured the batter and now we are going to make this cake in pan. I have taken a pan, I have put water. We'll cook this cake on gas. Well, I am keeping this water on gas. So I have switched on the gas. We'll let the water heat and then I'll put the cake in this. For those who have missed, this is the cake which I have prepared. You can see the texture of it. If everybody can see, it's very soft. And that is the chocolate sauce which I have made and put on it. So this is the ragi whole wheat jaggery cake. I'm putting my batter here. I have put it. See, I have put my batter in the pan and we'll cover it. We'll let this cook for 20 to 25 minutes at least. Anybody has any doubts can ask me. Okay, you want me to repeat the ingredients? I will repeat all the ingredients. First is 1 cup of ragi flour. If anybody wants to write it down, you can write it down. 1 cup of ragi flour, half cup whole wheat आटा जो हम रोटी के लिए यूज करते हैं, whole wheat आटा, 1 cup jaggery गुड़, 1 cup of milk, half TSP, that is teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 TSP baking powder and half TSP baking soda, 2 pinch of salt, 1/4 cup of oil, 1 cup of warm milk, 2 tablespoon of melted butter. Coffee is 1 tablespoon in 1 tablespoon of hot water. We have to make the water hot and then we have to add coffee powder, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Sorry, vinegar is 1 teaspoon and not tablespoon, and 1 teaspoon of flaxseed powder which we have to add to hot water. So I have kept my cake. This is the cake which I have baked already to show that how it comes out. You can try. It's a yummy healthy cake. In the meantime, we will learn how to make chocolate truffles using this cake. So I'll make pieces of this cake. I have taken 2 pieces of this cake and I have already made chocolate ganache, if everybody can see it. I have added cream and I have added chocolate. The chocolate I have added is 99% of Amul chocolate because I love bitter taste. You can take any chocolate, you can take Amul chocolate, Maude or any other chocolate you like. So I have taken 1 cup of cream and 3/4 cup of chocolate. I have mixed it and then I have kept it in the fridge. So that is the consistency of the ganache. You can add little bit of cream, warm it up and put it on this cake which I have done. I have added this chocolate sauce on this. So now what we will do in this ganache, I am going to add this chocolate cake. I'll crumble it and I'll add to it. I hope is everybody understanding how to make truffles. To this I am adding cake and I will crumble it and I will put it. I'm going to mix this now. I'm mixing this. Somebody is asking to repeat the ingredients. I'm making chocolate truffle right now. So after some time, in the end, I will repeat the ingredients. See, this is the chocolate mix. To this, I have added the crumbled chocolate. We will see the consistency if we can fold it. If not, we'll add some more chocolate to it. Chocolate cake to it. I have added some more chocolate to it. So now we'll mix it. Sorry for the messy hands, but who doesn't love chocolate? See, this is how it will look. Now we'll take little bit of ball. You have to taste it. If you want, you can add Nutella to it. You can add little vanilla essence. So I will just taste it how it is. Or we can add any more ingredients. To me this looks okay. You can add, as I said, Nutella or some more chocolate sauce. Trisha, will you help me to give this 2 plates here, blue one? So that is how you are supposed to roll it. Here, no? I'm rolling another one. Here. Keep it here. See, this is almond and cashew, काजू और बादाम को ये कर लिया है, and then we'll roll in it. So this is dry fruit truffle. Same way we have done this, and these are chocolate rice, chocolate sprinkles. I'll roll in this. You can decorate it as you want. You can roll this in pista. You can roll this with Nutella and then again put nuts on it. So this is chocolate rice. I have rotated it. Gives me one blue plate. So I'll roll few more truffles. Then we have to place it in fridge for some time. Also, you can dip this in warm chocolate sauce and keep it aside.
Yum.
I'm rolling in the dry fruit. To dip this in chocolate, hot chocolate sauce, what do you have to do? You have to take this and put it in the chocolate sauce. So it will be coated with chocolate. Then you have to place it in a plate and put it in fridge. So it will set a bit. We don't want to make it very hard, but little bit hard. So these are truffles, dry fruit truffles and chocolate. This is chocolate truffles. One is dry fruit flavor and another one is coated with chocolate. You can use color, sprinkles, anything, however you want to do. And also you can place this on a lollipop stick. So you can just serve with a stick of lollipop on it. So these are chocolate truffle. So that was my recipe for today. Thank you everybody. As somebody said that they want the list of ingredients, I'll just wash my hands and be back. Thank you, Geeta. Also, that is how you can serve this chocolate truffle. You can put lollipop stick. It makes a yummy dessert or mid-meal snack for the kids. Since it is healthy, you can give them 2 of it. It has ragi and jaggery, so it won't affect their health also. So these are yummy truffles. You can also make it up with the leftover chocolate cake. So I hope everybody understood. Is there any doubts? Somebody wanted me to repeat the ingredients. I'll just repeat it. So we have made whole wheat ragi jaggery cake. So the first ingredient is 1 cup of ragi. It is also called as finger millet in English. I hope you can find it. It is very nutritious, very healthy. It has loads of calcium and iron. But people with thyroid should take care and not eat in excess. You can also make ragi dhokla, ragi roti with it. And the next ingredient is half cup of whole wheat flour, that is atta, gahu ka atta, half cup. 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Next ingredient is half teaspoon of baking soda. Next ingredient is 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. 2 pinch of salt, 1 cup of jaggery, 1 cup of milk, which is supposed to be hot, not boiling milk, but it should be hot. 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of coffee, in which we have to add 1 tablespoon of hot water so that we will have a coffee decoction. After that we have 1 teaspoon of vinegar. We have 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. एंड लास्टली 1 टीस्पून ऑफ फ्लैक्सीड पाउडर, जिसको हम अलसी कहते हैं. तो वो अलसी है, उसको हम लोग पीस के विल मेक पाउडर एंड उसमें विल ऐड 1 टेबलस्पून ऑफ हॉट वाटर सो दैट इट विल स्वेल एंड इट विल बिकम गुड. सो दैट इज यूज्ड एज एग रिप्लेसर. इट मेक्स योर केक सॉफ्ट. एंड द लास्ट थिंग विच आई फॉरगॉट इज ऑयल, विच इज 1/4 cup. So that's the ingredients of this healthy cake. And also we made truffles with the cake. We have added ganache to the chocolate cake. These are the truffles. So these are the 2 healthy, delicious, nutritious recipe. I hope you people enjoy it. Do let me know when you try it. You can message me on my messenger, Yashika Mehta. It was great to see you all. Any other doubts, anybody? Thank you for watching. So I think nobody has any doubts, so I will leave it. See you soon, everybody. Do try the recipe and let me know. Bye. Take care.